Okay, so the first letter, the name of the letter is E, okay, capital E, and lowercase e. But the sound it makes in most words is E, okay, E, E, E. So that's an open mouth sound, so your mouth is open when you say it. E, E. It's a vowel sound, okay? Make sure you're saying it with me at home, please. Okay, so let's find some words which have the E sound in it. Okay, our first one we have is exit. 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 X. It. Exit. 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 Okay, I will exit the room. Okay, exit to leave. Exit. 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 Okay, super. Exit to go out. So 4 letters there and 4 sounds. Okay, next one we have the opposite of exit. Can you think what it might be? Yeah, it is enter. 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 I will enter the room. Okay, I will come into the room. I will enter it. Enter. And then we have the digraph at the end of this word here. Enter. Okay, super. Okay, next one we have is episode. Okay, a longer one here. Episode. 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 Okay, and here we have a split digraph here where the E is joining the O to make the O sound. So this is split digraph O, E joining the O to make the O sound. And the last sound we're saying in this word is the D sound. Okay, so let's do it again. Episode. Episode. What episode are you on of your television series? Might be a sentence there. Episode. Okay, how many letters does episode have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters. How many sounds? Episode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me, guys. Exit. 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 Enter. 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 Okay, episode. Episode. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.